Zara, perched on a rooftop, brass telescope pressed to her eye, the skyline glittering beneath her like fallen stars. They study a floating map, marking the path to the edge of the world. Through forests and over a swaying rope bridge, they push forward. Zara reached in the star meadow, where she finds the smallest light, dim and cold in the dirt. She holds the fading spark in her palms. It warms, brightening against her skin. Suddenly, her golden compass locks upward.
What you just saw, a full animated cartoon with the same character in every scene by just a prompt, a story, and one AI tool. Today, we're going deep on MagicLight AI, and I mean deep. I'm going to build a full animated story in front of you from scratch with the exact prompts I used step by step. I also have 5 giveaways as Pro Plan memberships, and each winner will get 1 month Pro Plan with 20,000 bonus credits and watermark-free exports. I'll tell you exactly how to participate at the end of this video. Let's get into it. Okay, once you log in, this is your dashboard. On the left sidebar, you've got every tool MagicLight offers. Let me walk through each one quickly. Story to video, your main long-form engine. Paste a full script or even just one sentence. The AI turns it into a multi-scene animated video with consistent characters, voiceover, music, and subtitles, up to 50 minutes long. Kids Story Video, a dedicated place for children's animated videos, softer art styles, age-appropriate language, warm character designs. Magic Claw Beta, a full multi-agent AI system that handles your entire YouTube channel strategy. Religious Story, specialized workflow for Islamic stories, biblical parables, moral tales. Great niche for YouTube. And a lot more. I'm going to create a short animated fantasy cartoon from scratch with the story title Zara and the Lost Star. Let's go. Click Story to Video from the left sidebar. You'll land on the creation screen. You'll see the Smart Script box on the top and all settings on below the panel. Paste the full Zara and the Lost Star script. So that's the full story, 12 scenes, complete with narration, dialogue, and scene descriptions. From the languages, choose English. But note, MagicLight supports multiple languages. This sets the voiceover and subtitle language. In the aspect ratio, choose 16:9 for YouTube landscape. If you're making content for TikTok or YouTube Shorts, choose 9:16 vertical. We're going landscape today. For more settings, we will keep the voiceover and background music to auto and let the story thinking model also be auto. However, we do have a lot of more options available. We will also keep the duration auto and we'll let MagicLight decide the length of the video. Basically, in the creation, we keep everything auto-selected by MagicLight and we'll see what we get without changing any settings. MagicLight now processes your script and generates a scene-by-scene synopsis breakdown. Review this carefully. It shows you exactly how the AI has interpreted each scene. If a synopsis for any scene seems off, click that scene and edit the description before moving forward. It defines that the video length will approximately be 4 minutes and will include 49 shots. This is the character lock step, MagicLight's signature feature. The AI automatically detects that there are 2 characters, Zara and Pip. Now, I need to define exactly how they look. Here's what makes this powerful. In most AI video tools, your character looks different in every single scene. MagicLight's character lock means you define the character once and it stays visually consistent across all 12 scenes. Let me show you. For Zara, I define the character as young girl, 10 years old, warm brown skin, large, curious brown eyes, short, curly black hair with small gold star-shaped hair clips, wearing a navy blue explorer vest with many pockets, white shirt underneath, tan cargo pants, small brown lace-up boots, friendly and expressive face, 3D cartoon animation style, warm lighting. This is the perfect character matching our description. For Pip the Fox, I define the character as a tiny magical fox, size of a house cat, glowing soft blue fur with golden-tipped ears and paws, large bright eyes, extremely fluffy tail that emits sparkles of light when excited, looks mischievous and loyal, 3D cartoon animation style matching Zara's world. Perfect, now we get these 2 best characters as per our story. Alright, so once MagicLight processes your script, this is what you land on. This is your storyboard. Think of this as your entire video laid out visually, scene by scene, before anything gets animated. Every scene has two things: the image MagicLight generated for that moment in the story, and the script is pulled from your original prompt right below it. So, for our Zara story, here's scene 1, Zara on the rooftop looking at the sky. Now, this is your review checkpoint. Go through every single image here before you move forward. Does this image actually match what the script says is supposed to happen in this scene? If the image looks great and matches the story, leave it. Move on. But if something's off, you have two options. Option 1, regenerate. Just hit the regenerate button on that scene. MagicLight will create a brand new image for it. This is free. It doesn't cost you any extra credit. Option 2, edit it with Nano Banana. This is MagicLight's integrated AI image editor, and it's honestly one of the most useful things on this platform. If the image is close but not quite right, maybe the background is perfect, but Zara's face looks slightly off. Or there's a random object in the scene that shouldn't be there. You don't have to regenerate the whole thing, just edit that part of the image. So you get surgical control without losing the parts that already look good. Now, remember, these are all still static images at this stage. To actually turn these into moving visuals, into real video scenes with animation, motion, camera movement, you need to click Animate. That's when MagicLight takes each static image and brings it to life. Here you pick which AI model powers your generation. Here are your options and what each is best for. Sora 2, best for cinematic quality and motion realism. Credits heavy. Veo 3, excellent scene detail and environment rendering. Gemini 3, great storytelling logic and character coherence. Kling 2.1, strongest character motion and expression. For this video, I'm choosing Kling 2.1 as the best character motion in our animated story. Perfect within a couple of minutes, all your images get great cinematic visuals. You can also review each visual separately, and if you don't like any clip, just regenerate it. Once you're satisfied, click Next. From the subtitle styles, choose a subtitle. For animated stories, I recommend the clean-centered white with black outline style. It reads well over any background color. Hit Generate. Choose 1080p. On paid plans, no watermark. Subtitles are baked in. Background music is mixed in. You get a final MP4 ready to upload directly to YouTube. Let's watch what we created.
Zara, perched on a rooftop, brass telescope pressed to her eye, the skyline glittering beneath her like fallen stars. They study a floating map, marking the path to the edge of the world. Through forests and over a swaying rope bridge, they push forward. Zara reached in the star meadow, where she finds the smallest light, dim and cold in the dirt. She holds the fading spark in her palms. It warms, brightening against her skin. Suddenly, her golden compass locks upward, projecting a shimmering staircase into the infinite blue. Zara climbs, the world shrinking to a tiny speck below. At the very edge of the sky, and the sky exhaled. Every single star, home at last. By dawn, the adventure is a memory. Zara sleeps soundly with Pip curled on her chest.
What you just saw, a full animated cartoon with the same character in every scene, lip-synced voices, background music, cinematic transitions, took under 30 minutes to make. All right, giveaway time. I have 5 MagicLight Pro memberships to give away, and each winner gets the full package, 1-month Pro Plan, full access to all premium AI models including Sora 2, Veo 3, Hailuo, and Kling 2.1, 20,000 bonus credits, enough to create multiple full-length animated videos, watermark-free exports, and commercial usage rights for everything you create. That's a real prize, worth real money. Here's how to enter. 3 steps, all free. Step 1, like this video right now. 1 tap. Step 2, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Step 3, drop a comment below telling me what story you would create first with MagicLight. A kid's story, a religious story, a fantasy adventure, a historical epic. All right, now let me quickly show you the Kids Story tool. Now, because this is a genuinely different workflow from story to video, and it's arguably the fastest way to start monetizing on YouTube if you're just getting started. Kids Story has its own dedicated interface, softer color palettes, pre-built story frameworks for moral lessons, age-appropriate character designs, and template structures for classic children's story formats like The Brave Little Animal, the lost toy, the friendship lesson. This is your prompt. A small brave turtle named Timmy is afraid of swimming in the deep ocean. With encouragement from his grandmother and a curious little fish, Timmy faces his fear and discovers a beautiful underwater garden, warm, colorful, 3D cartoon style, ages 3 to 7. This is your prompt. Select your style. I'd go with bright 3D cartoon or even a softer watercolor style for really young audiences. Again, select aspect ratio, AI model. Here, MagicLight build characters. Then it comes your narration along with the static images, and trust me, these are so beautiful. I will then animate all these as before, and then hit generate. Kids' story channels on YouTube can do extremely well because the audience is loyal and parents watch with their kids.
Timmy the turtle stood trembling at the edge of the dark blue reef. He felt the cold spray on his skin and dug his claws firmly into the shifting sand. His grandmother nudged his shoulder gently, pointing her flipper toward the vast, open water. Suddenly, a tiny, bright orange fish zipped through the bubbles, performing a playful loop and tapping Timmy right on his nose. Timmy took a shaky step. He kicked his back flippers and began to glide. "Open your eyes, Timmy," the ocean seemed to whisper. Purple seaweed swayed like silk ribbons in the current. And
MagicLight's consistent characters mean you can create a series. Same Timmy, same grandmother, episode after episode. That's how channels build subscribers fast.
was joy. Side by side with his new orange friend, he paddled forward to explore every vibrant color of his beautiful new home.
Now here's the one that I think a lot of you are going to use the most, especially if you're building a business around your channel. It's the Explainer video tool. I'm going to build one live right now. On the topic, how to make money online with AI tools. Here's the prompt I gave, consisting of 6 scenes. There is no character in our Explainer video. Once the storyboard generates, go through the static images and then generate animations accordingly. And after editing, generate the video. Let's preview what we get.
AI tools are creating real income streams right now. You do not need followers or startup capital to build a real income stream. First, faceless YouTube channels. AI builds your entire video. No camera, no editing. Such channels are earning thousands per month in ad revenue. Second, sell AI videos as a service. Businesses pay hundreds for Explainer videos. You produce them in under an hour and keep nearly all the profit.
Explainer videos are one of the highest earning content formats on YouTube right now. Brands pay creators to make them. Businesses buy them for their websites. And if you know how to make a good one quickly, you can either build a profitable YouTube channel or sell Explainer video services on the side while you're at it. This is one of MagicLight's most underrated features, the religious story tool. There is a massive and underserved audience on YouTube for Islamic stories, biblical parables, Quranic stories for children, and moral tales from various faith traditions. And this tool is built specifically for that content category. From a content strategy perspective, this niche has low competition and extremely high watch time because viewers don't just watch once. They come back to listen again and again. And because MagicLight creates consistent characters, you can build a recognizable animated prophet or companion character across a whole series. Okay, this one is still in beta and waitlist only right now, but I want to show it to you because it's where MagicLight is heading, and it's kind of mind-blowing. Magic Claw is not a video generator. It's a full multi-agent AI system designed to run your entire YouTube channel automatically. Think of it like hiring a complete content team, but it's all AI agents working together. Let me be completely straight with you about the pricing. You have free, standard, plus, and pro plans available. Now, if you use my link in the description, you get an exclusive discount on your subscription. I'll keep it pinned in the comments too. This is the best deal available for this platform right now. All right, giveaway time. I have 5 MagicLight Pro memberships to give away, and each winner gets the full package, 1-month Pro Plan, full access to all premium AI models including Sora 2, VO3, Hailuo, and Kling 2.120,000 bonus credits, enough to create multiple full-length animated videos, watermark-free exports, and commercial usage rights for everything you create. That's a real prize worth real money. Here's how to enter. 3 steps, all free. Step 1, like this video right now. 1 tap. Step 2, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Step 3, drop a comment below telling me what story you would create first with MagicLight. A kid's story? A religious story? A fantasy adventure? A historical epic? Tell me, 5 winners. I'll pick the winners and announce names in the pinned comment here. And that is MagicLight AI, the complete picture. We built a full animated cartoon from scratch, covered the kids' story tool, the religious story tool, and showed you where Magic Claw is taking all of this. If you want to try MagicLight yourself, the link with my exclusive discount is in the description. See you in the next video.